Hi, my name is Vas and welcome to another episode DJI Fly Up. So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can swap drones in DJI Fly application. So example, if you have a DJI Mini drone and you have like an Air drone or Mavic drone and you want to use the same controller from DJI Mini to any other drones, I'm gonna show you in this video how you can do that. It's very simple, and for that you just need the DJI Fly application, your Android phone, and also the DJI LCN controller. So yes, let's have a look. So here we go. I'll just put the cable in. So as you can see here now, I'm basically on DJI Fly application, and I'm gonna switch on my DJI L2S. As you can see here, it's already on. And now you'll be able to see the drone itself on my DJI Fly app as well. Just give a bit of time. I know it sometimes takes a while. So here you go, it went pretty smooth and pretty quick. So as you can see here, it's my Air 2S. I got some updates, but that I'm gonna talk about in different episode. So yes, that's my Air 2S as I said. And now, example, you want to fly your Mini 3 Pro or Mini 4 Pro or Mini 2, and you don't have your big drone with you, but you have your DJI LCD controller. And for that, I'm gonna switch on my DJI Air 2S on. As you can see, it's off. And we're gonna switch on the Mini 3 Pro. And let's see if that will gonna connect to Mini 3 Pro. Sometimes I do struggle a bit to connect, so because I usually prefer to use the DJI LCN controller rather than the screen one from Mini 3 Pro. So as you can see, it's haven't connected. So now I need to do it manually. So basically you just click connection guide and you'll have to choose what drone you want to connect. So make sure you're choosing the right drone, otherwise you won't be able to connect. It happened to me once. Basically I was trying to connect the DJI Mini 3 with this DJI LCD controllers. It didn't work. Then after that I realized I'm trying to connect the wrong drone. So make sure you're connecting the right drone. So now I can see the DJI Mini 3 Pro, and as you can see, I'm trying to connect this DJI LCD controller with DJI Mini 3 Pro. For some reason it's updating the app. Okay, so that's updated. So we'll go again and try to connect the DJI Mini 3 Pro. So I'll just click on DJI Mini 3 Pro. And it's searching for the aircraft, so basically searching for the drone. So basically wait a bit. If it doesn't work, then you're gonna have to do it manually. So as you can see, it's still searching for the drone. It takes like a minute. If it doesn't work, basically it tells you in the screen what you gotta do to connect the drone. So now, as you can see in my screen, it says unable to connect to the aircraft, and you're gonna have to click on this, and what you're gonna have to do, click pair here, and then on here you're gonna have to keep pressing for a couple of seconds. Here you go. So once you hear that noise, it means they're trying to connect between them. So let's have a look if that worked. As you can see, you got another half a minute. Here you go. Everything worked and everything is connected. It's, as I said, it's pretty smooth. It's not hard at all. It's asking me to bound the device to my account, which is already bound. So basically, when you're switching the drones, you're bounding the device with DJI LCD controller. So if I'm gonna use the DJI Air 2S with a screen controller, I'm gonna have to change the the account. So I'll click cancel, and as you can see here, it's all connected successfully. As I said, it's pretty easy, it's straightforward, it's not complicated. And yes guys, if you enjoyed this video, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. Also thumbs up as well. If you have any questions, do ask them below. I'll try to reply back as soon as possible.